Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the identifier schools use. That speeds lookup. Use your full legal name, date of birth, and one government ID or official student email. Once done, locate any prior communications, enrollment letters, acceptance emails, or fee receipts because they often list partial ID or reference numbers. Make sure to note your program and enrollment year, those narrow searches. Now, open the institution's student portal or prepare to contact the registrar. You're ready for the next step. You log into the student portal using your institutional username or student email. This is the fastest path. Once logged in, go to Profile, Student Records, or ID card sections. The student ID is usually displayed or downloadable there. If the portal requires verification, follow the multi-factor prompts. They protect your identity. If you cannot access the portal, prepare a registrar request with the facts you gathered. Make sure to include copies of your ID and proof of enrollment. When asking, you confirm the student ID by matching it across the portal, enrollment letters, or your physical ID card. Consistency is key. Once confirmed, save a screenshot and write it down in a secure place. If it's missing, contact the registrar by phone or their secure support form, attach your government ID and enrollment proof, and request verification. If problems occur, check common issues, name variants, account locks, or expired ID. Resolving those usually restores access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.